Are you looking for custom PC builds in West Lincoln? Look no further than JTG Systems. JTG Systems offers custom PC builds tailored to your exact specifications. All of their PCs are made with the highest quality components that are sure to last. No matter what you need, JTG Systems has you covered. From gaming PCs to business PCs, they can build it for you. Not only do they build the best PCs, they also provide repair services and upgrades. So if you need a new PC or just need your current PC serviced, JTG Systems is the best choice for you. Call them today at 905-892-4555 to get your custom PC build started in West Lincoln.